Hello and welcome to this video for the Banksy class, just to help you with the activities that we've set so we can talk through them and help you get them done. Okay, so let's look at the timetable for today. So a reading activity to start with. Now on the website there is a new reading bingo sheet which is full of activities to do. I'd like you to choose one of those activities, but please choose one that's got a really good writing output, because that's what I'm going to ask you to do for your writing today. I'd like to get one of those activities ticked off that has a really substantial writing output to it. So don't choose one of them that is just an activity to ask you to think about what you've read. Choose one that you're going to be able to write something about afterwards. So choose carefully. That's our reading and our writing for this morning from that bingo sheet to get us started. And those bingo sheets are fantastic. When you've got it finished, there's a little reward for you at the end of it. For maths, I've linked us back to an activity from last week from the bite-sized learning. It's all about place value and making sure we understand the value of the digits in a number. So it's a lot of revision and reminders for children there. Lots of activities on the bite-size website, and I've also copied a activity sheet onto our website. So feel free to write down the questions in your workbook if you can't print, or if you just want some questions to have a look at. There are some more on the bite-size website as well. In the afternoon, I'm giving you a little science activity to do. There's a video there about sound and the way it's made, and then I'd like to go on a sound hunt around your house. So I've given you an example of a table on our website, but you can draw that table into your book to investigate the sounds around your home and how they're made and what effect they have on things around them. And in the afternoon, another bingo sheet for you to look at is the creative bingo sheet, with lots of activities that you can relax at the end of the day with and have a go at. So here's a copy of the anytime reading activities that we can do, lots of creative ones there. We can pick any of these and tick it off when we've completed the activity. What we're looking for today is one with a nice writing output. So reading a comic and creating a comic strip, we can get lots of writing from that. A poem. We can definitely get some writing out of that one as well, and there's lots of others there as well that we could choose and have a good write about afterwards. So please choose wisely there. I am asking you to spend your reading and writing time on this activity and get your first of these this bingo sheet, the first square of this bingo sheet ticked off today, please. So for maths, we have got one of the most essential bits of maths that we need to know about. It's place value, how much the digits are worth in numbers, and I've asked you to do some activities based around that. If you don't have access to the internet to get some questions, ask someone to write you out some 3-digit numbers for year 3 and 4-digit numbers for year 4 and partition them into their values. So for example, 236 we'd partition into 6, 30 and 200 and write that as a number sentence as exemplified in your timetable for today. There are activities on BBC Bite Size as well with little tutorials if you'd like some more questions and ways to look up place value as well. So for science in the afternoon, I've linked in a good video for explaining the science behind sound and vibration, how it creates sound, and I'd like you to go on a sound hunt around your house. I've given you an example of a guitar string and how you can hear noise from a guitar string when it's plucked. You can see vibration and you can actually feel vibration as well in that item. Not all items you'll be able to feel the vibration. Most you will if you know where to look and where to feel. So go have a good look for those vibrations that create sound for us. The first one on the table that I've given you to do yourselves is your throat. So if you gently hold the center of your throat as you speak or make a noise, you should be able to notice some vibrations there and definitely hear something. And then I'd like you to go and find some other sources of sound as well around your house. And finally, at the end of the day, we have a little bit of creative time. We've uploaded to the website a anytime creative bingo sheet for you, and the Banksy themed one is there. Lots of activities that you can dip into and have a go at. However, if you have your own activities that you'd like to do to be creative, that is okay as well. It's a time to still be learning, but a bit more relaxed and creative. So enjoy that time.